welcome to Kimochis Corner with Miss Emily. Today we're going to meet my friend Bug. Can you guys say hi? Hi, Bug. Bug is a very special Kimochi. He is a caterpillar, and Bug sometimes gets a little bit scared. He can be scared to try new things. He can be scared to ask to play. And he can be a little bit scared when he sees his friends getting picked on or left out. But Bug can also be brave. Brave is when we put our brave feeling in front of our scared feeling, and it makes our scared feeling a little bit smaller. When Bug feels scared, his wings are tucked in his back. But when he's brave, his wings come out and you can make him fly. Oh, that's so special, Bug. Bug is also a very kind Kimochi, because he always makes sure that his friends are included. When he sees a friend that's feeling left out or a little bit shy, he always asks that friend to play. He always makes sure that they're feeling included and says that they are his friend. Bug is such a kind, inclusive Kimochi. Today we're going to read a book about Bug trying new things, and it's called Bug Makes a Splash. It was a nice day for a swim on Kimochi's Way. That is, if you like to swim. Who didn't like to swim? Bug didn't like to swim, that's who. Instead, he was curled up with his favorite book about birds. Blackbirds, big birds, red birds, and bluebirds. Bug dreamed of flying, but he was too scared to try. Oh, he's never flown before. Shouts and sounds of splashing water interrupted Bug's reading. He peeked out the window. Cloud, Cat, and Hugs were playing in the pool. Oh, there he is, peeking out. Come on in, invited Cloud. What are you waiting for? Asked Cat. The water's wonderful, encouraged Hugs. But Bug was afraid to swim. But he didn't want his friends to know he was scared, so he grabbed his goggles and inched his way to the pool. The water looked cold and wet. A sudden splash hit Bug. Oh! And he curled up into a tight ball. Cat and Cloud were busy splashing each other. Hugs was juggling beach balls. Look, another ball, shouted Hugs, and she tossed Bug high into the air. Cloud and Cat joined in, and the friends tossed Bug back and forth. They were all having a great time. That is, everyone but Bug. It's okay to be afraid, sang Lovey-Dove. Only then can you be brave. I'm afraid to swim, yelled Bug. Cat, Cloud, and Hugs froze. Bug was high up in the air, and he was heading straight down toward the water, the cold, wet water. Just then, Bug uncurled himself and stretched out his wings. He waved his wings so hard. He was flying. Is that you, Bug? Asked Cloud. It's a bird, said Cat. I knew you could do it, said Hugs. Oh, he was so scared, but he put his brave in front and now he's flying. He looks very proud of himself. Bug landed softly on the side of the pool. "I did it! I flew!" he shouted, feeling so proud. Bug was so brave that he even jumped in the pool, surprising everyone, especially himself. Splash! The water was wonderful. It was a nice day for a swim. That is, if you like to swim. And Bug did. Hi again. I hope you guys enjoyed the book about Bug being so brave. He was flying, he was swimming. He was a little bit scared to try those new things. But then he put his brave feeling in front of his scared feeling, and he was able to fly and swim. It can be hard to try new things. It's always good to remember and tell ourselves, I can do it. And we can put our hand on our heart to remind ourselves to be brave. Another thing that's important to do when we're being brave is to make sure that people don't feel left out. Sometimes people might feel left out because they're a little bit shy to play or ask to play with their friends. Sometimes you might notice that people aren't included because they might look a little different, like the color of their skin, or they might be in a wheelchair. And if we see somebody that's being mean or hurting our friends because they're different, it's important that we stand up for them and that we put our brave in front and we tell our friends that we love them, that we'll include them, and that they're important to us and they're special for us. The cool thing about everybody being different is that it makes the world a beautiful place. Because if we were all the same, that wouldn't be very fun at all. So today we have Hugs visiting us in Bug's story. Hugs is an octopus and she has 6 legs. Usually octopi have 8 legs. So Hugs is a little bit different than other octopuses. So sometimes her friends or other people tease her and hurt her feelings because she doesn't have 8 legs. Is that okay? No, that's not okay. That can hurt Hugs' feelings. Oh, let's see what happens. Hey Hugs, how you doing? I'm feeling a little sad because people are teasing me that I only have 6 legs. That's okay, Hugs. I think that's what makes you special. I love that you have 6 legs, and I will always play with you and be your friend. Oh, thanks, Bug. Oh, that is so sweet. If we see a friend who's feeling left out, we can always go up and tell them that they're special to us and that they're our friend and that they can play with us. And if you see friends or other people that are being mean because somebody's different, you can put your brave in front and you can tell them, that's not okay to tease my friend. I love them and they're special to me. And sometimes if they're still being mean, it's important for you to go get a grown-up. And that can be a little scary, to do the right thing when other people aren't. But that's what makes us very special friends. We have to be brave to stand up for other people when they're maybe a little scared to stand up for themselves. So you can always remember to carry your brave with your hand over your heart. And that will help us to be good friends to ourselves and to others. Well, thank you guys for joining us today on Kimochis Way. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you next time. Bye.